Northrop Grumman's Cygnus cargo craft is about to deliver about 4 tons of science and supplies to the International Space Station, hitching a ride today for the first time on the venerable SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. On the phone with us right now to discuss this unique marriage of rockets and resupply is a former veteran astronaut, Dan Tawney, who flew 2 supply and assembly missions to the International Space Station. He is now Northrop Grumman's program manager for human exploration and operations.
Yeah, it is a complex operation, and from a crew member's point of view, boy, it's like Christmas. Or nowadays, it's like watching the Amazon truck show up and unload a bunch of stuff. You know, we're bringing 8,000 pounds, over 8,000 pounds of stuff to the crew, and not only is it, you know, the scientific experiments and stuff that the space station itself needs, but it's food, it's clothes, and really, personally, to the crew, it's notes and mementos and stuff from their families and friends. It's great to put a little personal stuff in there.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition, engines full power, and liftoff. Go Cygnus, go Falcon.
Falcon 9 and Cygnus begin their flight, taking aim on the International Space Station.